Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will speak about how you are going to block unwanted calls and texts on iPhone. Blocking unwanted calls and texts on iPhone can help reduce distractions and interruptions and protect your privacy from scammers and fraudsters. Sometimes unwanted calls and texts disturbs our mental health. To avoid these unnecessary texts and calls, blocking is a very good option. Let's see how to block these numbers. Go to the phone app which you can see in the screen. Tap favorites, recents, contacts, keypad or voicemail or any number, like we choose this number. Then you choose block caller. Then choose block contact. Then your contact will be blocked. So that is how you're going to block unwanted calls and texts. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.